Good morning, this is Richard from County Battery Services. I just want to show you a little 2-second saving I've got in our shop in Kirkby and Ashfield. If we look round the shop, you'll see lots and lots of bright and shiny goods, and what we have is the front door here. Well, in the summer we tend to keep it open and you'll see our lovely outdoor spaces. But what happens, dust blows in from the outside, and as we look at the stock, it starts to get, well, perhaps a little bit dirty and dusty. I recently bought this little Hoover. He's called Harry, and he's really good. He's really good at dusting dusty batteries. Let's have a look. Here's a bit of a dusty battery here where I fixed earlier. And you can see what a fantastic job that makes. And as these batteries get dusty in about a week or so, it will speed up the whole process of cleaning all our beautiful batteries. Another 2-second saving from Richard at County Battery Services.